sun's gone and the water's still. I pull out my mop, just doing my fill. But something about this place calls to me. In empty halls where no one can see. These marble floors and chandeliers been watching me hide all these years. Each night I wait till the last guest fades away. Keep saying it said, can't be ignored. Never knew someone heard me here. Your words make my purpose clear. Now every shift feels like a stage, and every note helps turn the page. Till the morning calls. Every night I take the stage, moving through the blue light haze. They all watch but don't really see what these movements mean to me. Kimi wa mite iru no, are you watching in this crowded space? Watashi no kokoro wa, my heart is racing at your face. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for the mold, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. Ooh, they disappear. Baby, they disappear. Professional smile, practice grace, but my eyes keep finding your face. In the VIP section tonight, where the water casts blue light. Behind these choreographed moves, there's a message just for you. Every spin tells a different tale, one that makes my heartbeat feel. Motochi kakuni, come closer through this midnight air. Kimi to odoritai, I wanna dance with, but I wouldn't dare. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. They all fade away. Nothing else remains. Another late shift by the water. Clock strikes 12 like every night. Something pulls me to stay longer when that full moon shines so bright. Can't explain these ripples forming. No winter night so still, so clear. Heart skips when surface breaks and you appear. Every 30 days I'm waiting, never early, never late. My job says I should stop you, but I hesitate. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Water beads across your shoulders. Never speak, just float on by. Breaking rules to watch you longer.